Hello everyone, my name is Shiv Krishna and I am today presenting a simple yet smart tic-tac-toe game using Python. This game allows two players to play, includes a colorful terminal interface and even allows you to save and load your game progress using a text file. The game has following key features: two player support with symbols X and O, color display using ANSI, escape codes for better visibility, game state saving and loading so users can continue where they left off. It checks for winning conditions and draws. It has input validation and simple text based UI. And the structure of the code is constant and setup, uh, file name game state, and position map position user input 129 to 2D board positions. And class colors defines color codes for X blue and O red. And function color symbol adds color to the symbol when displaying the board. Function display board prints both the position map and the actual game board. Uses color to show symbols in the color. The functions check winner and its draw. Check winner check rows and columns and diagonals. Its draw checks if the all cells are filled. And like saving and loading the game. This is the check winner board. It saves the board current symbol and turn into gamestate.x. Function load game reads from the file and returns to the board and to turn info. Shows a message if no file is found. These features help players continue their game later, very handy for long sessions. And next, game loop and logic. And now let's see some core gameplay in play game function. And here is it. And welcomes players and asks if they want to load the previous game. If not, it starts a new board with all cells as. And the loop the loop displays the board. It takes input 129 or 0, save and quit, checks if the move is valid, updates the board and checks for the winner draw. If the game ends, it clears the save file, else it switches turns. And let me show the game. And here is the game. The interface shows the welcome to tic tac toe. There player 1 and player 2. Player 1 is indicated with the blue color X and player 2 is indicated with the red color O. Here you can see, do you want to load the previous game? We can take Y or N to, if you want to load the previous game you can say, and if you don't want to load the previous game you can type in. Here see, the issue it's showing the positions 1 to 9 to indicate for the indication. And next there is a game board. We can mark the positions and mark the player symbols. Let me show you the this. And you can see the positions are 1 to 9. You can see in the serial order in the rows. Let's take the first one is X. In the first position we, we kept X, and the next it automatically switches for the player 2 or red color O, and next we have to mark it on the board. And I am marking it on 5. So you can see it is also marked in red color. And next it's It's player one turn. I positioned on the slot 9. It kept on 9. And next it's player 2 turn. I'm marking it on the position number 8. Let's check this. And now I'm mark next it's player 1 turn. And I'm marking it on play position 6. You can see the position on the 6. And it's number 1 turn. If I mark number 2, the game is over. Yeah, it's showing player 2 wins in red color. Congrats. Thanks for playing. Yeah, this is what I did. You can restart the game or the save the game. Continue finish the match show giving withdraw. Reinforced my Python skills with the file handling functions and the control flow. Taught me about user experience with a clean UI input validation. Could be improved further with AI, GUI and multiplayer over network. Thank you for watching my project demo. I hope you all like it.